Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about Shiny Dashboard in R. This is a part of our community contribution project. I am Somit.
And this is Shashwat.
The Today we'll be talking about dashboard using the Parkinson's dataset. This dashboard will help us visualize and analyze various voice data so that we can differentiate between healthy individuals and those with Parkinson's disease. It will also focus on various MDVP metrics, which can provide insights into potential voice instability, which is associated with Parkinson's. The dataset was chosen from Parkinson's telemonitoring dataset. It has various variables for MDVP metrics and also the target variable, which indicates 1 for Parkinson's and 0 for a healthy person.
Now I'll be explaining why we chose Shiny to create the dashboard. The first major reason is that it is a R package, because of which it's very easier to integrate it and use it in RStudio, and it enables creation of interactive web applications and dashboard directly from R. Secondly, it even provides a framework that combines a user-friendly UI with the flexibility to handle complex data analysis and visualizations. Furthermore, using Shiny, you can also design dashboards with various UI components such as tabs, boxes, and menus, which allows users to interact with the data dynamically. Shiny is very commonly used for data science projects, real-time data monitoring, and displaying data analysis results in an accessible and a visual appealing format. Finally, Shiny automatically updates outputs in response to user interactions, which allows for real-time responsive visualizations without any manual refreshes. Now we'll be covering the key features and the visualization components, and we'll be explaining them while we'll be going through our demo and through the code explanation.
So first we have all the libraries which we need for a Shiny dashboard, mainly the Shiny library and the Shiny dashboard library. Then we read our data parkinsons.csv. We store all the dashboard looks in the UI variable. First, we give the header for the dashboard. Then we create a sidebar for the dashboard where we will have all the filters. First filter would be to choose status as 1 or 0, depending whether we need graphs or plots for Parkinson's or healthy person. Then we have two slider inputs for spread 1 and spread 2, which has minimum to maximum value respectively, and we can choose between them simultaneously. We will also have a drop down menu which will have all the MDVP metrics so that if we want to plot a particular MDVP metrics, we can do that. Further, we will create a dashboard body which will have 4 plots, and the plots will be explained in the backend, which is the server function.
So the backend, which basically runs the dashboard, consists of a function and an input and output. In the backend part, we have first of all filtered the data that would be fed for generating the different kinds of plots. So the first plot which we generated using ggplot was a scatter plot. The major reason for going ahead with a scatter plot was because it helps us to identify how stable or variable the voice frequencies are for each status group. Then we moved ahead with histogram, and we again used ggplot, and further we used different kinds of parameters and different point colors, etc. Uh, we use histogram because it tells us how frequently each range of fundamental frequency appears across the dataset, separated by health status. The third plot which we generated was a jitter plot. The major reason for going ahead with this was it indicates instability in a vocal tone, and it is which is often associated with the Parkinson's disease as vocal tremors or instabilities. Finally, we use the box plot to show the whole output. And box plots are useful for visualizing the spread, median, quartiles, outliers within each group. And it allows users to compare the range and variability of a specific MDVP measure between a healthy person and a person who has a Parkinson's disease. Then we called the Shiny App function and integrated UI and the server, and then created the dashboard.
So this is our dashboard. We can choose the status as 1 or 0. We can also choose spread values from minimum to maximum, and we can also select any MDVP measure from the drop-down menu.
Therefore, we can use Shiny to create different kinds of interactive dashboards and can apply it to any other data set as well.